All right. Good morning, everybody. Have your class started? Not yet. Oh, ma'am's here. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Right. How many kids we have got? We got
Morning.
6. 10. What's happening? Okay. Aisha Aga is 6, so she's not coming. But fair enough. It's okay. Yeah, Rujda, it's okay. I was already recording before. No?
Okay, they were chatting about chicken biryani and all, so I just saw
Okay.
that.
Right. And I was not invited, so I'm going to punish every one of them. That's good.
Okay.
All right. I think yes, ma'am. I'll make you the host. We could ask. Hi, Abdullah. Abdullah, I'm missing the football matches. I wish we can go this weekend. Saturdays are football, isn't it, Ibrahim? The Abdullah and Muhammad cheat so much, and they cry foul like Ronaldo. They'll fall down. Oh, and okay. So today you have a guest coming at 11 o'clock, right? She's Anuri, ma'am, and she's an excellent trainer for business studies. I've heard all the complaints about your business studies teachers. I've removed Shabana, ma'am. Yeah, see, Rujda and Juwairi are like, yay, sir, thank you. Abdullah is like, oh, wow.
I want Shabana ma'am again.
Oh,
Me
I
too.
heard,
I also.
just before that in the chat, I recorded, you said Shabana ma'am is the worst teacher ever. Aisha wrote that. I have the chats with me. Yahya said, yes, I agree.
We love every teacher in this.
Yeah, this is too diplomatic,
Oh,
Ibrahim.
diplomatic answer.
Yeah. You'll become a good politician, Ibrahim. Right. Good to see all of you. I think happy to see all of you excited. You all, look forward to the classes. I see you all coming on time. I'm so happy. Yesterday we had a good chat with some of your parents and all positive. I think you all just keep yourself engaged. Sometimes it's difficult online classes, but be positive, come back, find, it's okay to chat, it's okay to doodle. Also listen to the classes, especially the maths ones that I really like when you all ask me for the recordings of the maths classes. I'll make sure they're always there. And if you learn this subject, trust me, anywhere, any company in the world, if your math skills are good, will be very, very smart. Okay. By the way, next week, do you all have Rubik cubes at home? How many of you have Rubik cubes? Yeah, 3 by 3? Okay, great. All right. So next week, instead of fitness, I'm not going to have fitness classes. Yeah, we'll have a Rubik cube class. Is that okay? Even if you don't have it, if you really want, yeah,
I know, sir. I know how to solve.
Okay, so we'll get the instructor and he'll challenge you. So we'll do the timing then. So keep practicing. Maybe next Wednesday is your fitness class. I'm going to have a mental fitness. That's a great friend of mine from Chennai. So he's going to do a Rubik Cube class for all of you, right? I just waiting for, I don't know why Batul is not there. Okay, rest of them I will try to use the WhatsApp. Yes, tell me. Yeah.
I don't have Rubik cube.
How come you are the champion of the Rubik Cube?
Sir, my Rubik cube is
It
broken.
unfortunately broke.
Oh, it broke. See,
It
it's
fell
so,
from his hand.
so I don't mind, it's just 150 bucks. If you want to, you can go buy 3 by 3 Rubik Cube because I want all the rights and, the Golden Sparrow should learn how to solve it. If you want, you can buy it. If you don't have it, it's okay. We'll have some of you who have the cubes, keep them ready, 3 by 3 cubes. All right. Muhammad, you have it from Dubai? Rubik Cube? Why are they, okay, where is Muhammad Ashfaq? I want the camera on. Ma'am, we're just waiting for a couple of more kids, so.
Yeah, sure.
Muhammad Ashfaq, can I see your lovely hairs? The nest that you have on top. Yeah, there he is. See? That's looking good. Ashfaq, Muhammad, the barber shops have opened. No, you don't want to? All right. Anas, how are you, Anas? Anas, is that your picture? Oh, good. Anas is moving. How are you, Anas? Can you unmute and speak up? Say hello to us.
Hello, sir.
Right. So what's happening, Anas? I think you are one of the best students. I want you to be more interactive in the classes. Are you enjoying your maths classes, Anas?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, you're still muted and I can hear you. Oh, good. And Anas, make sure that, don't get delusion, all of you. Remember last time we had a stress class? I know sometimes it's difficult not to meet your friends, not to play football, not to go out and hang together, but this will also pass. But if you get too irritated, if you start, back answering your parents, your mom especially, it's not fun. These are not my sparrows, I know. So I want all of you to smile, go home. You know, it's okay. Remember what I told you last time? It's okay to play with mobile phones. Your eyes will not get spoiled like mine. Your minds will get spoiled. Today's gadgets and computers are very good. Nothing. Go tell your moms and dads, nothing will happen to my eyes. You know, they have something called a blue screen. So do not worry. You can play, but this is where we have a problem. So enough. Limit yourself. All right, everybody. Okay. Now I've got all your classes there. Fantastic, ma'am. Class is yours. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay. Okay, children, last class we did multiplication and multiplication with multiples of tens. Okay. Any doubt is there in the previous class, whatever we did in the previous class? Any question? Any doubt anyone has?
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear?
Yeah.
Okay, the multiplication, you know what is multiplication? Basically, multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, so when you have to add a number many times, then we multiply. Suppose I want to add 3 5 times. So what will be my answer? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So many times I have to add. So what do I do? It is 15. So what is a shortcut method? We multiply it.
Multiply and find the product.
Yes, you find the product. So we say multiplication is repeated addition. Number of times when you add, then instead of adding so many times, we multiply it. If I have to add 300 times, so it is very tedious process to write 3 plus 3 plus 300 times. So instead of that, what we do, we multiply it 3 into 100, you will get the same answer. Okay, so whenever we say multiplication, it is actually addition, but it is a repeated addition. Okay, and today we'll do division. So division is repeated subtraction. So multiplication and addition are in the same group, and division and subtraction are in the same group. Also, there are some properties of multiplication and addition. Do you know what is commutative property? Anybody has heard about it? What is commutative?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Without the earphones, am I audible to you all?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll speak like this.
Yes, sure. Yes, ma'am.
Commutative is a very important property. Always remember it. Like I'm giving you one example. What is 2 plus 3?
5.
2 plus 3 is, what is 3 plus 2?
5.
5. So you add first number to second number or second number to first number, you'll get the same answer, right? If I say what is 6 plus 5, what is the answer?
11.
5 plus 6.
11.
But if I say, so in this case, we say that addition is commutative. Addition has a commutative property. Commutative means when first number plus second number is equal to second number plus first number, it is called as commutative. Same way in multiplication. When I say 3 into 2, what is 3 into 2?
6.
What is 2 into
12.
What is 2 into 3?
6.
So both the ways, if you multiply 2 3s or 3 2s, you're getting the same answer. So we say multiplication and addition, both of the operations are commutative. Commutative is a very important word. Always remember, if somebody asks what is commutative, commutative, if the order is not fixed, you can add any ways. Okay? Yeah. Okay, I have muted. Yeah. So commutative means when the order, any order you are adding or multiplying. Now what happens in subtraction? If I say 8 minus 6, what is 8 minus 6?
2.
Minus 6 is 2. But can I, is 6 minus 8 is same as 2?
No.
No. So
We cannot subtract.
correct.
Ma'am, it's minus 2.
Yes, that is minus 2. So later when we study integers, you will come to know that it is minus 2. So 2 and minus 2 are not the same thing. So you can say that subtraction is not commutative. Okay? Commutative means addition and multiplication, they are commutative, but subtraction and division, these two operations are not commutative because you
And
cannot reverse and get the same answer.
you tell the definition of commutative? I did not understand clearly.
You did not understand? It is not definition. It is a property. Okay, I'll show you on the slide how it is and what is the property. Okay, rest everyone has understood what is commutative property. Everyone has understood. Okay, we'll do some examples. You will
Yes,
understand.
ma'am.
Okay, so let me share the screen and start with the class.
Ma'am, the meaning of integers are the whole numbers, including positive and negative numbers, right?
Yeah, integers means positive whole numbers and negative whole numbers also. Okay, and zero also is included. In whole number, we already have a zero. Okay, so that is integers. Integers we are not doing, so we'll do. Okay, one more thing, assignment. Is there any problem in uploading your assignments? Are you facing any problem? No?
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, because Umar, I got your assignment. Rest, I'm not getting only 4. Yeah, Juwaria, I didn't get your assignment. You have
you already gave me marks.
no. That was your assessment. After that, I gave 2 assignments more. Every week, just check your Google Classroom. It is there.
The 1C
You
and
remember I
the
told you
addition
number
note
15, practice 1C. That was there. And yesterday, I gave one assignment that you have to submit in the next week. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
I'll
my
do it.
1C homework is done, ma'am, but I just forget to upload it because on that day only I did it when you gave
It's okay. You upload the last one also. The missing number also I have given. So
Yes.
till Wednesday, just upload everyone so that I can check it before your class. Okay. Umaira, have you seen the assignment?
No, ma'am, I don't come in the.
Google Classroom? But
No,
you,
ma'am, I'm not coming the 2 classes with.
you have not attended. So you have seen the recording of the class recording, maths recording. Did you see?
No, ma'am, I want to see.
Yeah. Just see the recording and then do the assignment. Otherwise, you will lag behind. You will not understand what is happening in the next class. Okay, Umaira?
I'm the type and I cannot understand.
What?
Try this.
Who is speaking?
I'm Umar.
Yeah, Umar. Which question you did not understand?
I'm the try this.
Try this. Okay, try this is optional. You can leave that. If you are able to do that is fine. You will get so many answers for that. Okay. So even if you don't do try this, that is fine. 1, 2, 3 you have done. And the missing numbers, which assignment I gave you yesterday, you complete that one. Okay, in the next week. Okay. So let us start with the class. Then I'll explain you the properties.
Ma'am, missing digits is on page number 7.
It is there in the textbook also, but I have given you my questions because textbook may you just have a few questions. Okay? So just do the questions which I have given you, and when you have extra time, complete the textbook questions also. Okay?
Ma'am, do we have to write in notebook?
The assignment, you have to write it in notebook and click a picture and send it to me. Okay?
No, ma'am, I am talking about now. We are writing multiplication.
Which one?
And we are writing now. You don't know we will write now multiplication. So do we have to do in the notebook or
Notebook,
not?
I'll tell you when you have to do it in the notebook. Okay, another magic square question I have brought. Just go through the question. You have to make total using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Only these digits you have to use, and you have to make a total of 12. Okay, so 0 is also there. I'm giving you one hint. You will start from there where you can put a 0. Any line, put a 0 and another number to make it 12.
Ma'am, 8, 0 and 4.
Okay, just a moment. Okay, now next somebody else will answer. Okay, Yahya? Yeah, you are telling me 8, 0 and 4. So this line makes 12. So what will happen to this line now? What I will write over here?
5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3.
Okay, 9 plus 3. Okay, 3 is gone and 0 is gone and 4 is gone. Okay. Now who will answer? Abdullah?
And put 7, 7 and 2.
7, 7. Where will I put? Here?
Ma'am, above 3. 7 and 2.
7 and 2. Okay. 7 and 2. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 is gone and 2 is gone.
Ma'am, put 7 down and put 2 up, because if the 8 is big, so 7 plus 8 is 15.
Correct. So it is giving you a wrong answer in the top line. So I'll just reverse it. So eraser, and I'll just reverse this. So I'll put 2 over here and 7 over here. So now it is fine. Now what will I write here? Ibrahim, can you answer? What will I write here? Now this line is left. So 8 and 2, already 10. What will I write? I cannot write.
You cannot write, ma'am. You cannot write 1. So you have to repeat. So you will write 2.
So that means this combination I have to change. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, we'll go back. Now we'll change this combination, and what will happen? 3. Can we write this as 3, 2, and 7? Can we write this?
Yeah, 3. Yes.
No, ma'am, but the last line will be
Uncommon.
not correct.
It will not be correct.
If you write 3 over here, then it is fine, na? See, if I write...
No, ma'am.
The last line, 5, 4 and 3.
Oh, it is gone once again. Once again, tell me the answer. Okay, I'm writing 0
5.
over here, and 8 and 4 was there, right? 8, 4, 12 is okay. Now 5 and what I will write over here? 5, 0 and
7.
7.
So it is 12 now. Now what I will write? Suppose if I write over here, if I write
3.
Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 8 and 3, what will I write over here?
1.
1.
Now what is left? 5 plus 1, 6. Now it is correct.
6. 6.
Okay, is it fine?
Yes.
So this way we have to use so many combinations. Easily you can get a total, but we don't have to repeat over here. So that is why 2-3 attempts we have to make to find the actual number. Okay, so I'll just remove it. Erase pen.
Ma'am, the answer also is like in cross.
In cross also you were getting 12?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't notice that. Okay, what I was telling you about the property, I have not made that slide, so I'll just teach you over here only. I was telling you commutative. Commutative spelling is this, you can write in your notebook, okay? This is an important property, commutative, and this you have to remember always. In higher classes also, whenever somebody says addition is commutative or not, or which operation is commutative. So always remember addition and multiplication, they are commutative. So this is the spelling. Commutative property means when, suppose I have got two numbers, A, I'm just writing number as A, okay? So A, when A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this is called as commutative property. Or you can write when A into B is equal to B into A. Example, suppose 3 plus 6.
Ma'am, I did not understand A plus B.
A means any number. So I'm writing one example, 3. B means any other number other than A. Understood? In algebra, you can write numbers as alphabet also. When we don't know any number, we write it as X, Y, Z or A, B, C. Is it clear? So here, just to make a formula, I have written any number plus other number is equal to other number plus first number. Is it clear? So to write it in the, instead of writing it in that way, we write it as A plus B is equal to B plus A. Actually, you are not doing addition of English alphabet, okay? We are doing maths only, but instead of A, actually A, we are writing that any number can be there instead of A, and any number can be taken for B, okay? So 3 plus 6 will be equal to 6 plus 3. You can check it. 3 plus 6 is what?
9.
9.
6 plus 3 is what?
9.
9.
They are
9.
equal, so I can write this property. So you will say that commutative property means when first number, when operation is reversed and you get the same answer, then the property is commutative property. So in case of addition and multiplication, they both
Ma'am, I cannot understand.
what? Commutative property?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm explaining now, Abhi. Still not done. So this is
Ma'am,
commutative property.
can I tell? Ma'am, you told, ma'am, I understand it, but I was telling, you told the definition like that commutative property is the reverse of.
No, that
What
is
you
not
said, can-
definition. That is not definition. Huh? This is a law. Law will be written like this only. This is the law which we write in this form. A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means it is a commutative property. In multiplication also, if we write A into B, if you are getting confused with AB, you can leave that, but you remember the example B into A. Okay, which you can write it as, what is 6 into 3? 18.
18.
And what is 3 into 6?
18.
It is also same. So we can say that multiplication is also commutative. Now, if I say this is a commutative property. Now, if I say what is 7 minus 6? What is 7 minus 6?
1.
1. Which is not equal to 6 minus 7. This is not equal to 6. When you reverse it, you don't get the same answer, right? So we say that subtraction, which operation we are using? Subtraction. So we say that subtraction is not commutative. Do you understand what is commutative? Commutative means, see, when in case of, suppose I'm doing some addition work, what is it? See, this is my cover, specs cover. This is a pen. Okay? If I take this first and then add this, I'll get the same answer. If I take this first and then add this, I'll get the same length.
Yes.
Is it okay? But so this is called as commutative.
Ma'am, only the places also changes.
Place reverses, but answer is same. Is it okay?
Like
The
numbers
operation-
communicate
then
with
it is
each
called
other
as
in the same way.
commutative. The place reverses, but the answer remains same. In addition and multiplication, you reverse the number's place, but your answer remains same. But what happens in subtraction? Subtraction may you reverse the place, but you are not getting the same answer because 6 minus 7 is not 1. Okay, so you say that subtraction is not commutative, whereas addition and multiplication are commutative. Okay, they are not commutative. So this is a property of addition and, sorry, spelling I have written wrong. So not commutative, I cannot write full over here. So you understand that subtraction and division is not commutative, and addition and multiplication, they are commutative. Okay. So sometimes questions are asked. Now I just showed you two numbers. If I take 3 plus 2 plus 5, is it equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2?
Yes.
Yes.
You replace, you reverse, or you change the arrangement of the number. But if you are adding or multiplying, you'll get the same answer. But if you are subtracting and dividing, you will not get the same answer. So that is why we say, always remember, subtraction, you can write in your notebook, addition and multiplication obeys commutative property, whereas division and subtraction do not obey commutative property. They are not commutative. Is it clear what is commutative? Is it clear to all? So when I
Yes,
say what is
ma'am.
commutative, you should understand that when you reverse, it is that operation. See, when you reverse the numbers or change the order of the number, you will get the same answer. Then it is commutative. Okay? Otherwise, you are the property is not commutative. So subtraction is not commutative because if you reverse the number, you're not getting the same answer. Whereas in addition and multiplication, you reverse the number, you'll get the same answer. So that is why it is commutative. Is it clear, everyone? Javeria, Rashta, is it clear? Omar?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but why do we need commutative means? Why do we have to learn?
You don't have to learn, you have to understand. See, when you understand, it is easy to remember. See, where we use it, sometimes in simplification, you will get, this is a simple example I gave you, but sometimes in simplification, you get 245 into dash is equal to dash into 245. So you know what is the answer? What happens? What will you do? If I give you 21, this is a big number, 215 into dash is equal to dash into 215. What will you write?
1 equals to 1.
No, sorry. I wrote something wrong over here. Sorry, dash is 324. Okay, 215 into 324. My 2 is thoda sa awkward. It is fine, but it is 324. Okay, so 215 into 324 is equal to dash into 215. What will I write? 324. Because you know that here commutative property is true, so only this number can come over here. Even if you reverse it, because multiplication is commutative, you can write over here. But if I write minus 324 over here, I cannot write here minus 323. Plus 324. I cannot write.
Something.
Yes, Umar?
If we are subtracting,
If you are subtracting, then you cannot write यहाँ पे plus 324.
if we are subtracting 9 minus 9, so
9 minus 9 is what? 0.
so it will be commutative.
Nee, log is
Subtraction is not commutative.
okay, subtraction is not commutative, and I told you I have taken different numbers. A and B means 2 different numbers you are taking. Okay, so here a law is true. It should be true for all numbers. Not this is an exception. You will take it as exception. Same numbers you are using. And what did I tell you? I have to take different numbers and then reverse it. Okay, so for same number you are getting 0 only. Okay, so subtraction and division, they are not commutative. Okay, so can we proceed? Should I erase this? Everyone knows now this commutative? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and divide also, na?
In divide, it is not commutative because 6 divided by 2, if I write 6, what happens to my pen? I think network problem is there. You write 6 divided by 5. Sorry, 6 divided by 2. What is the answer?
3.
3. What is 3? What is 2 divided by 6? Is it 3?
No.
No, na? Because it will be in decimal. So you are not getting the same answer. 6 divided by 2 is not equal to 2 divided by 6. So that is why division is also not commutative. So division and subtraction, they are non-commutative. Okay. So now moving on. Remote control. Who is asking for remote control? Huh? Okay, so this we did yesterday. This is just a revision. Now I'll ask. I'm not going to ask all the question. I'll just ask one question from everyone. Anas, just tell me, 90 into dash is equal to 8100. So 90 into what is equal to 8100? Try, unmute and try. What you have to do? 9 into something you will do. 1 0 is already there. 1 0 will come here. So 9 into what is 81?
90.
90, yes. So 90 into 90 is 8100. So here we'll have 9. I don't know what happened to my pen. 90 into 90 is 8100. Okay. Now 200 into this one. 70 into dash is 2800. Okay. Hamza, what is it? 70 into dash is 2800. So 10 is already there. 7, how many times is 28?
Ma'am, I'm not understanding. Someone else is also speaking.
No, everyone be quiet. I'll just call the names and you will answer. Okay. Yeah. Hamza,
Yes,
are you answering? Where is Hamza?
Mariam,
Yes,
iPhone.
Yeah, Hamza, tell. 7 into what is 28?
7 to what is 28?
Ah.
7.
Ma'am.
Yeah, he's telling. 7 4s are what? Yes, Rushta?
Yes.
Yes, so it is 40 because 7 4s are 28. 1 0 is there with 7 and 1 0 with 4. So 40, 70 into 40 is 2800. Okay, 8 into dash is 7200. Muhammad Muhammadi, 8 into what is 7200? 8 into what?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, just wait everyone. I'll call your names.
Can I say?
No, everyone don't ask can I say, can I say. Write it in your
Ma'am.
note.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
can
say?
you explain again?
Yeah, Muhammad Muhammadi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain again?
Who is asking?
Aisha Qazi.
What I need to explain? This one we did yesterday, na? This one you're asking? What you're asking?
8x ma'am, actually I left.
800 equals to 720, 7200.
8 into what you did?
100.
900, na? 8 into 9 is 72 and then 0 0. 2 0 you will put. My pen is not working. Wait, let me see what has happened to my pen. The pointer is also.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, take another pen.
Wait,
Make another color.
it's
color.
not coming only. The option is not coming now. I think some problem is there.
Stop
Okay,
share.
leave it. Okay, leave it. Stop share. Yeah, okay, I'll stop share.
Stop
and come.
share and stop share and
Yes.
share again.
Yeah.
We can. Ma'am, because in R also it is showing half only. See, ma'am. It is just showing pinch out for a bigger view. The pen option is not coming.
It's not coming in my this thing also. Okay, leave it. Okay, we'll do it orally only. Yes, Aisha Qazi, what was your doubt? See, when this type of question is there, na, when you are you have to multiply something to get an answer. The shortcut method is just divide it. Like 3600. 6 into what is 3600? What we'll do? We'll divide 3600 by 6. What is the answer?
600.
600. So 6 into 600 is 3600. So whenever answer is given and you don't know here what we have to write, here what is it? Dash into 30 is 2700. So what I'll do, if I'm not getting this number, I'll just divide it over here. 2700 divided by 30 is 9 3s are 27, correct? So, and 1010. So 90. 30 into 90 is 2700. So if you don't get any number, here what will I write? Yes, Abdullah, 6 into what is 480?
Ma'am, 6 into 80.
Yes, 6 into 80 is 480. Okay. Ibrahim, you tell me. 50 into what is 350?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, which question number?
25. 50
50.
into dash into 50 is equal to 350. See, it is commutative, so I can reverse also. I can say 50 into dash also because it is commutative.
7. Ma'am, 7 into 50.
Yes, 7 into 50. Okay? Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen share.
You're not able to see the screen?
No.
Rest, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
We can see.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Just log out and log in. Who is not able to
Ma'am,
see?
I think she did pin. She pinned the video.
Just log out and log in. Come back again.
Yeah.
Okay. Whom did I ask? Yahya, you
Can I
tell.
tell?
18 to dash is 4,000. 18 to what is 4,000?
80
Ma'am, now I
into
can see the
500.
80 into 500.
Yes, 80 into 500 because 1 0 and you want 2 more zeros. So 8 into 5 is 40, 500.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
You have already told Ibrahim. Muhammad Saqib, dash into 9 is 3600. What is dash? What is dash over here? 9, how many times is 3600?
400.
Yes, 400. Okay. Okay, who is left?
Ma'am, your pen didn't come because why you are not writing the
No,
answer.
it didn't come. Now it has come. Yes, just a moment.
Yeah, it again went maybe.
It's not coming. I don't know what is going on. Okay, leave it. You know the
Ma'am,
answer.
it came. It came for some time and then went. It came.
Yes.
It came.
Okay, which color should I take?
Ma'am, take green.
Chaya.
Ma'am, yellow. Ma'am,
Green I have
my
taken.
lucky color is green today.
Okay, Juveria, now you tell this one. 9 into dash is 180. 9 into what number will be 180?
9 multiplied by
You just divide 180 by 9.
okay.
9 के table
Ma'am,
में
200. 200.
200 into 9.
20. Ma'am, 20.
It's still not working, huh? It's still not working.
20.
Leave it today.
Ma'am, why is it not working?
Sometimes
Internet connection.
internet
No.
connection, maybe some problem is there why it's not working.
Ma'am, 9.
Screen share can't be related to the internet.
No, it's not
28,
internet.
180.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Humaira,
9 into 20 is
it is
180.
20, 9 2s are 18 and 1 0 you have to put. So
20.
you will write 20 over here. Okay, Humaira, dash
Yes,
into
ma'am.
70 is 140. What will you put over here? Dash into 70. 7 how many times is 14?
7.
2.
14.
2. 20. 20.
2.
Not 20. 1 0 is already there. So
7.
the answer.
Two,
70
two,
into
two.
2. Okay, now
Ma'am,
we are
which
done.
question you are asking? Which question number?
9.
Now I want all of you to solve first question and give me the answer. All of you know how to multiply 4-digit multiplication. So I want answer for this. I'm not going to solve. 2 1. Write down in your notebook 21821 because you cannot do it orally and I don't want the calculator answer. Show me the notebook how you have done. 4-digit multiplication. First.
As you say, ma'am, your wish is my command.
Ma'am, I actually understand it.
You have not understood this multiplication?
I haven't understood.
This multiplication you didn't understand? We did yesterday, huh? Okay, I'll explain you this question. I'm going to explain the next one.
But yesterday there was no class.
No, day before yesterday. Okay. So what we'll do, Rashda? First, you will multiply with 4 with all these digits. So what is 4 ones are 4?
4.
4. Okay, my pen is not working, so you will have to write it in your notebook. Write down this question, Rashna, and write it in your notebook. 4 ones are 4, then 4 twos are 8. You will write it next to 4. Here you will write 8. Then 4 eights are 8 fours are 32. 2 you will write over here, and carry will go on 1. Okay. Then 4 ones are 4. You will add carry from here, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7. You will write 7 over here, and then 4 twos are 8. You will write 8 over here. So first line completed. You have multiplied 4 with all these numbers. Is it clear, Ashna? Then what we'll do, the last place, under the last place, you will put 1 0 because we are going to the second place now. Now same way you will multiply with 9 all the digits. Now when we come to 8 number, you will put 2 zeros from the right hand side, and then you will multiply with 8. Is it clear, Ashta? Is it clear? And then you will write 3 zeros. So as we go down, we are adding 1 1 0 in each line from the right hand side. Okay. And then last में you will add all the 7, जितना multiplication किया, you will add all and you'll get the answer over here. So that will be your result. Okay. Now Rashta, you just try and then I'll give you the answer. Anyone has got the answer?
Ma'am, I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, see, first we add 0 after the first line.
You are multiplying, yes.
Yeah, so we do, see, we do 9 ones are and 9 twos are. So 9 twos are is 18. So where should we carry? Where should the one
carry will go on
add?
8. You will add when you do 9 8s are. What is 9 8s are? 72 plus 173.
So we have to write over there only, no? Or we have to write down and then when we add,
you
then
write 3 down and 7 on the next digit. Okay. My pen is not working, so I'm not able to write and show you. Just okay. I'll show you the answer. I have typed the answer, but first I want you to give me the answer. All of you just try this question and tell me what answer. Even if it is wrong, that is fine. But try and find out the answer. Humaira, you have understood how to do multiplication of big numbers, large numbers?
Yes, ma'am. I cannot understand the very big numbers.
Same way you have to do. You know how to do 2-digit multiplication. The same way you have to do for 4-digit also. Only thing is you have to keep on adding zeros. Anyone has got the answer? Okay, let me show you the answer. Let me show you.
Ma'am, 8 8 is 66 now.
8 8 is 64.
Oh.
You should know the tables at least till 9. If you know till 20 is very good. But 9.
I noted 12.
Okay. You should know table. See, if you know the
I know
table,
11.
11's table, everybody knows. So even if you know till 9 is also fine, but till 20 if you know, that should be excellent. Mohammad Mohammadi, where are you doing? On the wall? Notebook?
I have a big screen up.
No, notebook. Do the question in the notebook.
Ma'am, my network is not actually working. Ma'am, taking it.
Can you see the question, Mohammed? 218217889.
Ma'am, after the second line, we will add 2 zeros and go for the 8 one, na?
Yes. Okay, let me show it in my notebook.
Ma'am, I got the answer. The answer is let me check in my book. 172254 and 974.
172254974. Yes, correct answer. Now look everyone here, because I'm not able to write. Rashda, Humaira, those who have not understood big multiplications, just pay attention over here. Aisha, you have got correct answer. Okay. Now see.
Ma'am, what is 8 8s are?
64. Now everyone be quiet, and those who have not understood, Humaira, can you see here on the screen? See, this is the answer. How do we do? First, I will multiply with 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 8s are, third number is what? 8. 8 4s are 32, carry 3. So I'll write a 3 on 1. So when I write 3 on, why do we write 3 on 1? Because when I will multiply 4 with 1, 4 ones are 4, and then I will add a 3, the carryover. Okay. So 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So I'll write 7 over here.
7 8 is 56 na?
Yes.
7 8
Yes.
is 56.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
So 4 2s are 8. So I'll write 4 2s are 8 over here. Now next number I'll multiply with 9. So before that I'll put 1 0. At the ones place I'll put 1 0. Is it clear, Rashda and Humaira? Please see. Can you see, Humaira?
Yes, ma'am.
Put 1 0 over here. Then I'll multiply with 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 2s are 18. 8. Carry will go on 8. Now 9 8s are 72. Plus 1 is 73. So 3 over here and 7 over here. So 9 ones are 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 over here and carry 1 over on 2. So 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19. So I'll put a 19. Now I have to multiply with 8. So I'll put now 2 zeros. 1 I have already put now. Now next line I'll put 2 zeros. And the same way I'll multiply with 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. 6. Carry again 1. 8 8s are 64. Plus 1 65. Then 6 on 1. Carry 6 on 1. Then 8 ones are 8. Plus 6. Which is 14. So carry 1. Then 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now 7 is left. So with 7, now 2 zeros I have put. Next line I'll put 3 zeros. I'll multiply with 7. Same way, I'll put number below each numbers. And then last may I'll add. And this is my answer. This is my answer. Okay? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can I say the answer, ma'am?
First one?
Yes, ma'am. 3 2 3 2 5 4 9 7 4.
First one is 17225497. It is there on the board. See on the screen. Something has happened during this class. Only this happened. Okay, I'm just erasing pen. Can you see the answer? Anybody has doubt? Juveria, do you know how to solve big multiplication? See, the multiplication method is same. Now, if I give you 6-digit multiplication, you will do it in the same way. Now, next line, you will put 4 zeros. In the next line, you will put 5 zeros and you will do the multiplication. And in the end, you will add it. Okay. So, the rules of multiplication is same. Only the digits we increase. The rule we follow is the same. Is it clear, everyone? Hamza, is it clear to you? How do we multiply large
Ma'am,
numbers?
I got the answer. Is it correct? 17225497.
Yes, this is the answer. See, this is the first question answer. Rest, everyone has got or not this answer?
Yeah.
Nobody has got? I got just 2.
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Abdullah, you got wrong answer, Abdullah. Did you correct it? Abdullah Patel is requesting remote control of your screen. What are you clicking, Abdullah?
Ma'am, I'm here. My hands are here, ma'am. I'm not doing.
It's showing in my screen over here.
Muhammad Saqib is named to Abdullah.
Okay. Javeria, did you get the answer? Anas, did you get this answer?
Yes.
Humaira, now you do it on your own and do this. The next question also you can write the next question and I'll ask you the answer in the next class. 156799559 you have to multiply. This question answer I want it in the next class. Huh?
Ma'am, which answer?
Ma'am,
This 15679 into 9559. That is your question.
homework.
That is your homework.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, I did not.
15679 into 9559. Okay, so multiply the now you know the multiplication method. See, you have to understand multiplication in a proper way, because next we'll be doing large number division, and that mostly children find difficult. So if you understand from the basic, it will not be difficult for you. Okay,
Ma'am, division is easy, ma'am.
no, big division, when you do, many children do mistakes when zeros are there in between. Okay, so elder children also do mistakes. So that is why I want you to be clear in the concepts with multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. That is your ABCD of maths. Like in English, you have ABCD in the beginning. Same way in maths also. After 1, 2, 3, you have addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. You should be clear
Ma'am?
with concepts. Yeah.
Which question is the homework?
This one, 15679.
The second one.
Wait
a second, ma'am.
Only this question is your homework, and complete your assignment on missing numbers and send it to me in the next week. Okay? And please practice maths at home. Humaira, clear now? Multiplication is clear, Humaira?
Yes, ma'am.
And see the recordings of the previous classes, Humaira. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. मैम प्रीवियस क्लास भी यही हुआ था.
प्रीवियस क्लास में ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड मिसिंग नंबर्स हुआ था, सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड एडिशन का. So just go through that class, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you have noted down. Now I'm going to stop sharing. Okay, fine. Any doubt in today's class?
No.
If you have
No, ma'am.
go through the recording and check it. Okay. So see you in the next class. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye.
It was a nice class.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.